going on YouTube? CJ here with the Trading Collective, an education-based community of traders. Today we're going to be talking about the new SeleneAlgo update version 2.11. We've been working on this one for a long time. A lot of things changed, not too much, but enough that we're proud of and making a video about it. So real quick, if you guys wouldn't mind smashing that like button for the YouTube algorithm, it helps us out a bunch. And if you're interested in more info about the Trading Collective and what it is that we do, look for a timestamp and it will take you to the outro portion of the video. Okay, this is the update. 2.11, we added the EMA ribbon. We changed the basic mode to be called Trend Finder. So the origin behind the basic mode was to never trade against a downtrend and to keep new traders safe. So we went in and we actually optimized this to work even better because people love that basic mode. We wanted to really bring more to the table. You're seeing to the left that yellow long signal here on the Bitcoin 4-hour chart. That's an indication of a semi-safe signal. A safe signal, a fully safe signal is a green signal. Now it'll keep that long signal, which we're still in right now, 22.86% since that long signal there on August 4th. But yeah, so if you have the old version, you're just going to take it off by hitting the X, saving the chart, opening a new tab, closing the old tab, relaunching TradingView, and then re-adding, just like you would if it was the first time you ever signed up for Selene. Go back to invite only, SeleneAlgo, which, by the way, 2-week free trial on the algorithm. Link down in the description. Then you'll go to the end of the chart and you'll hit the gear icon. You'll select the disclaimer, and now I'm going to show you guys what I'm looking for when we're talking about swing trading. So right now we're looking at the 4-hour, and we're looking at the 4-hour on Bitcoin. This is a swing trading time frame. What I'm doing here in Selene, what I'm tweaking is we're going to leave the EMA ribbon on, Trend Cloud. We're going to actually change that to standard momentum. OBV, we're going to leave it, actually we'll turn it on. I like it for when I'm day trading. We'll turn it on here and we'll just leave it on when I show you the day trade settings. RSI, overbought, oversold, I like to show that as well. So here on Selene, you're actually seeing the RSI percentage, but it gives you a better visual knowing whether you're below 30. You get white candles, and then above 70 overbought range, you're getting purple candles like right here. Then we're going to go to our support and resistance, and we're going to turn that bottom one on. Pivot history will go back to 1,000 for when we're swing trading. Pivot sensitivity, we're leaving that alone. Candle color, leaving that alone. That shows you, it'll color the candles based upon the trend. Background color is hidden. Risk mitigation, I leave all this standard for day trading as well as swing trading. Whale Hunter, we're going to turn the first one on. That's the same setting for the day trading as well. Display dashboard full. Hit OK, and this is it. So with Whale Hunter, you're seeing these little whale emojis on the screen. Being a possible beluga, we have 4 different types of whales. The bigger the whale, the bigger the whale that you can select there on your dashboard. Now if you select the bottom one, it'll show different sizes all the way up to the top, but if you only select the biggest whale, it'll only show you the biggest whale. So this is showing a whale entry right here. A whale exit would be a red candle with a whale exit. And yeah, this is the new Selene version. This is how I like to trade when I'm doing swing trading. I'd use a Trend Finder. Selene is a super powerful tool. It's another tool in the tool belt. It's not the only tool in the tool belt. So basic technical analysis, fundamental analysis. So, we're talking about upcoming earnings. We're, not going to be playing options during that time typically, but technical analysis, basic support and resistance, still make them. Don't be trading in downtrend, basic technical analysis type of stuff. Now, we have lots of videos on technical analysis, but this isn't a one-stop shop. This is just another tool in the tool belt. The thing behind Selene, the driving factor behind Selene is education. So you're getting this entire dashboard here that's showing you exactly why it is or isn't giving you a signal. It's also very transparent in showing you exactly what percentage it is at since the previous signal. It suggests a trailing take profit. It's telling you your trend direction. It's letting you know that the whale hunter is on that feature. And then it's giving you further observations such as your RSI, your 9 EMA, VWAP, just telling you why it is not giving you a short signal, the bull to bear ratio. And then with the full version of the dashboard, you're seeing all this SMA readout information as well. So a lot of information to be had. And we're going to shift now a little bit. I'm going to show you guys what settings I use when I'm day trading. So we're going to go to SPRT. We're going to go to the 5-minute. I like the 15-minute. 15-minute is actually what I'm using to gauge momentum, but I'm actually usually staring at a 5-minute chart. So if we were to leave it up here on the 5-minute, you'll see 175% profit right here, 172% profit from the trend finder. Now, if you caught that signal, then that's incredible. We're going to switch to aggressive though, because we're day trading this sucker. Now with aggressive, I'm going to just turn off my RSI, overbought, oversold candles, and I'm going to change my pivot history down about 500. This allows me to not slow the chart down if I'm going to be flipping through securities. Now if you're showing max or 1,000, it might be a little slower flipping through charts. Now the cool thing, I think the coolest thing about Selene, and that real quick, that's the only thing that I change really when I'm swing trading. We've already got the OBV on. We've got the right standard momentum trend cloud. Nothing else is really changing there. On my screen, you see the 50 EMA is the orange, VWAP blue, 200 is the yellow. Nothing's changing there. Now, I think it's really helpful when you're scanning with Selene, when you're scanning through multiple tickers, say your watch list or you're doing your daily rounds. If you're just flipping from one to the other, this dashboard populates instantaneously. So you're immediately knowing where you're at with RSI. Is there a MACD cross? Because that's one of the observations it can note. If the MACD just crossed bearish, it'll tell you the exact amount of candles ago it crossed bearish or bullish. And then we also have a Selene ADX video. That's what you're actually using to confirm the signals you're wanting to take. So that's kind of the new things about this SeleneAlgo, this version 2.11 update. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below or pop into our Discord and fire away. We do live trading 9 to 4 p.m. every single day in our Discord. And yeah, I mean, what we do at the collective is we're trading all day, but again, the whole premise is to educate and provide tools and add value to what it is that you guys are doing here, which is most of you are day traders as well. So in our Discord with a gold membership, you get several Benzinga channels. I'll actually read them off to you. You're getting access to Benzinga block trades, Benzinga pre-market, Benzinga analyst ratings, Benzinga options, Benzinga news, Benzinga why it's moving, Benzinga highs and lows. You're also getting dark pool signals. That right there, hundreds of dollars worth of information that's just included with our package. We're also live trading every single day. Like I said, 9 to 4, Monday through Friday. Huge amount of value there as well. Not trading alone, being able to bounce ideas off of one another. We have sub chats, whether you're in crypto or Forex or futures or regular stocks. We have sub channels for you as well, because SeleneAlgo works on all of those things. So why limit yourself and just trade commons or just trade crypto? You can trade multiple different things. We have a plethora of university courses available on our website as well. They include handouts, quizzes, slideshows. And yeah, if you guys, like I said, have any questions, feel free to drop a comment down below. Our website link and 14-day free trial is also available down below as well. And if you guys don't need anything else from me, I think I'm gonna go trade for the last hour of the day here. So see you guys in the next one. Take care.